met years ago, we've always found reasons not to like each other. Who would have thought we would be where we are now? Life is really full of wonderful surprises, huh?
I commit myself to you and our marriage. I promise to love you and our future family unconditionally and to make you smile whenever you're stressed.
Perhaps the most challenging part of our relationship has been the weeks leading up to this moment. It has been a constant struggle and stress for the both of us. But you know what I realized? I realized that despite all of these problems around us, the problems were just that, just around us and never between us.
I don't like him, says the blogger. And I thought she's maarte, retaliates the actor. While Kryz was waiting for something wrong to happen, Slater was careful that nothing wrong will happen. See, friends, come what may, all resistance was conquered by endurance in the end.
And we follow the examples of the people that care for us, especially our parents, that we would someday be great parents too. I promise to be more understanding and take your pictures without complaining. Vlogger Joa for life. Vlogger husband na din.
You've always told me that you'd prove yourself to me, and every single day you've done just that. Your love is genuine and unconditional. It's a beautiful kind of love. A love that makes me feel immensely grateful and contented, and I want nothing more.
I just wanna be your morning light, and the sun come up with you by my side. I just wanna be your morning light. Fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold.
So love one another and you will be happy. It's as simple and as difficult as that.
You are what I was always searching for. And right beside you is where I always want to be. With you, I'm not afraid. With you, it doesn't matter where we are. I'm always home.
When I met you, I met a universe. And now everything in my world is yours.
Today, I am the luckiest man in the world. Not just because I get to marry the woman of my dreams, but today I get to start the life of my dreams. To always love you with our beautiful kind of love. Today, I am the luckiest girl. because today I get to spend the rest of my life loving you.